911 Turbo S, a name that echoes through the world of performance. A machine that blends precision, heritage, and raw power into a driving experience that feels almost unreal. Today, let's dive into the masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of speed and engineering. The 911 Turbo S. For over 5 decades, the Porsche 911 has defined what a sports car should be. But the Turbo S isn't just another model. It is the peak of the lineup, the most powerful, most advanced, and most thrilling version of the legendary 911. With its widened stance, active aerodynamics, and those signature LED headlights, the Turbo S looks fast, even before it moves. Under the rear decklid sits a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six that produces a mind-bending 640 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. How fast is it? Try 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.6 seconds. That's supercar territory, but with everyday usability. The 8-speed PDK gearbox shifts with lightning precision. The all-wheel drive system launches you forward like you're on rails. And the Sport exhaust delivers that unmistakable Porsche roar, refined yet furious. The Turbo S isn't just about speed in a straight line. Thanks to Porsche active suspension management, rear axle steering, and carbon ceramic brakes, the car handles with incredible agility. Every curve becomes addictive, every corner invites you to push harder. It's confidence, control, and adrenaline, all working in perfect sync. This is a car engineered not just to perform, but to thrill. Step inside, and the track-focused performance continues with luxury. The cabin is crafted with premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum details. You get a fully digital instrument cluster, a responsive 10.9-inch touchscreen, and seats that hold you tight during high-speed runs while still offering long-distance comfort. It's a cockpit designed for both power and prestige. The Porsche 911 Turbo S isn't just a fast car, it's a statement. A symbol of what decades of engineering excellence can achieve. It's powerful, luxurious, and shockingly usable in everyday life. This is a supercar you can drive daily, but one that feels extraordinary every single time. If you're looking for the perfect balance of speed, style, and precision, the 911 Turbo S stands in a league of its own.